Stop studying for the SAP Business Data Cloud exam the old way, because SAP has completely changed the game. This is no longer a multiple-choice exam. You'll be placed in a real consulting scenario, working directly with an AI client. And if you can't explain your solution clearly, you fail. In this video, I'll show you exactly how the new AI role-play format works, and we'll walk through a real exam-level scenario together. Here's the reality. In the SAP performance-based exam, you'll face a business problem, and an AI client will expect you to respond like a real consultant. You'll need to understand the requirement, design a solution, defend your decisions. Let's look at the kind of problem you'll be expected to solve. Scenario 1. Data Architecture Challenge. A retail company wants to unify data from multiple sources and enable real-time analytics for decision-making. The client asks, how would you design this using SAP Business Data Cloud? Your approach, exam-level answer. First, I would use SAP Datasphere to integrate and model data from different sources. Then, I would connect SAP Databricks for advanced data processing and machine learning. For reporting and dashboards, I would use SAP Analytics Cloud. Finally, everything would be managed centrally through the Business Data Cloud cockpit. Now the AI will challenge you. Why did you choose this architecture? Your answer should include scalability, real-time processing, seamless SAP integration. This is where most candidates fail. They know tools, but can't justify decisions. Scenario 2. Stakeholder interaction. A business stakeholder says, we need faster insights, but with minimal cost. Now your job is not just technical, it's consulting. You might say, to optimize cost and performance, we can prioritize data modeling in Datasphere and limit heavy processing to critical workloads in Databricks. This tests communication skills, business understanding, architecture trade-offs. Here's what you need to know. You'll get 6 AI role-play scenarios. It's open book and unproctored. Results come in about 15 minutes. But don't be fooled. Open book doesn't mean easy. If you don't have hands-on thinking, you won't finish in time. This is exactly why practicing real scenarios matters. Platforms like certshero.com simulate the actual SAP exam environment, where you can practice AI role-play scenarios, get cross-questioned, and improve your weak areas. It's much closer to the real exam than just reading PDFs. Scenario 3. Decision-making under pressure. A company wants to migrate legacy SAP BW data into a modern cloud architecture. Expected solution. Use SAP BW Private Cloud Edition for transition. Integrate with Datasphere Enable Analytics via SACAI follow-up. What risks do you see? You should mention data migration complexity, performance issues, integration challenges. Scenario 4. Data governance and security. Let's move to a critical real-world challenge. In the real SAP exam, you'll solve a problem like this. Scenario. A financial company wants to implement SAP Business Data Cloud, but they are concerned about data governance and compliance. The AI client asks, how will you ensure data security and proper access control? You should explain. Use role-based access control, RBAC, in SAP Datasphere. Apply data governance policies across data models. Enable data lineage tracking for transparency. Ensure compliance with regulations using built-in SAP controls. AI cross-question. What if unauthorized access happens? You should mention audit logs, monitoring tools, immediate access revocation. This scenario tests governance knowledge, risk handling, security awareness. Scenario 5. Real-time analytics requirement. Now let's test your performance and real-time thinking. In the real SAP exam, you'll solve a problem like this. Scenario. An e-commerce company needs real-time sales insights to adjust pricing dynamically. The client asks, how would you enable real-time analytics? Expected solution use. SAP Datasphere for real-time data integration, process high-volume data using SAP Databricks, deliver insights via SAP Analytics Cloud dashboards, AI follow-up. How will you handle performance issues? You should answer, optimize data pipelines, use efficient data models, scale processing using cloud capabilities. Scenario 6, business communication and simplification. This is where many technically strong candidates fail. Scenario: a non-technical executive asks, "Can you explain this solution in simple business terms?" You might say, "We're creating a centralized data platform that brings all your business data together, so you can make faster and smarter decisions in real time." AI cross-question: how does this impact business outcomes? Your answer: faster decision-making, improved efficiency, better forecasting. Today, you didn't just learn SAP concepts. You handled real exam-level scenarios, from architecture design to governance, real-time analytics, and even stakeholder communication. That's exactly how the SAP exam works today. If you want to pass the CBCBDC exam, you need to practice like this consistently. Start solving real scenarios on certshero.com and build real exam confidence. And if you want more advanced SAP scenarios, check out the next video on your screen.